Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to do USB tethering from your phone to laptop or PC. Okay, first of all, you should connect a USB cable with your phone to laptop. Okay, if here with this phone, usually C to C type will be given. Okay, either you can use C to C type or C to USB type. Okay, so here I have C to C type. Okay, but your PC or laptop should have C type port. Okay, otherwise C to C cannot be used for USB tethering. Okay, C to then USB type can be used. Okay, so here I have USB port in my laptop, so no, there is no problem for me. Okay, so first connect one end to your phone here in the C type port, and connect other end to your laptop or PC in the C type port. Okay, yes, I have connected. Now come to your phone and go to settings of your phone. Go to settings, then go to connections, and here go to mobile hotspot and tethering, and here turn on this button USB tethering, so that tethering will be enabled. Okay, see here, yes, it is enabled, and see there, yes, it is enabled, and they are showing their network are showing here. Okay, yes, so if you have internet in your phone, that can be accessed in the laptop as well using this USB tethering. Okay, in this way you can easily do USB tethering from your phone to any laptop or PC. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.